Does your phone always die when you need it most? You are not alone. Today, I will show you how to stretch your phone's battery life like a pro. First, lower the screen brightness. It's the biggest power hog. Head to Settings, Display, and switch on Adaptive Brightness. Next, reduce screen timeout and turn off Wi-Fi or Bluetooth when you are not using them. Tiny tweaks equal massive savings. Now check your battery usage to catch those power-hungry apps. Found a culprit? Uninstall it or put it to sleep. Don't let background apps secretly drain your phone. When you are running low, switch on battery saver mode. It limits background activity and extends your battery just when you need it most. And for emergencies, always carry a power bank. It's your phone's lifeline on the go. Try these tips today and never get caught with a dead phone again. Like, share and subscribe for more smart tech hacks.